Welcome to today's video, where we're exploring the vast, mysterious world of Earth's oceans. Covering more than 70% of the planet's surface, oceans are not only massive but absolutely essential to all life on Earth. Our oceans are divided into 5 main regions: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Oceans. Of these, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest, holding more water than all the others combined. Each ocean has its own unique characteristics, ecosystems, and climates, yet they're all connected, forming one vast global ocean. One fascinating fact is that oceans are often called the lungs of the Earth. Why? Because they produce more than half of the world's oxygen. Tiny marine plants called phytoplankton live on the ocean's surface and photosynthesize, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. In doing so, they play a huge role in balancing the air we breathe and maintaining our atmosphere's composition. Now, when we think of the ocean, we often imagine beaches and waves. But what lies beneath the surface is even more incredible. The deep ocean is one of the least explored regions on Earth. The pressure here is immense, temperatures are near freezing, and sunlight doesn't penetrate. Yet, despite these extreme conditions, life finds a way. Bioluminescent fish, strange creatures like the giant squid, and bizarre-looking anglerfish have adapted to survive in this darkness, forming some of the most unique ecosystems on the planet. Beyond biodiversity, oceans also play a massive role in shaping our weather and climate. Ocean currents, such as the Gulf Stream, move warm water from the tropics to colder regions, helping regulate global temperatures. These currents influence rainfall patterns, affect agriculture, and even contribute to the formation of hurricanes and storms. Our climate systems and oceans are intricately linked, meaning changes in the ocean can have a significant impact on the weather we experience every day. Let's talk about how oceans support our economies, too. They are vital for global trade, with ships transporting goods and resources across vast distances. Oceans are also a primary source of food for millions of people, with fisheries providing employment and essential protein worldwide. But human activities, like overfishing and pollution, are putting this delicate balance at risk. One major issue facing our oceans is plastic pollution. Every year, millions of tons of plastic end up in the ocean. This plastic doesn't just float on the surface, it breaks down into tiny pieces called microplastics, which are harmful to marine life. Fish, birds, and even large animals like whales mistakenly eat plastic, which disrupts the food chain and can lead to illness and death. Ocean cleanup initiatives are underway, but reducing our plastic use and waste is crucial to protecting marine ecosystems. Climate change is another serious threat to our oceans. Rising global temperatures are causing sea levels to rise, which threatens coastal communities. Warmer water also harms coral reefs, which are some of the most diverse ecosystems in the world. Coral bleaching, a process where corals lose their vibrant colors due to stress, is becoming more common, putting countless marine species at risk. Despite these challenges, our oceans remain incredibly resilient and beautiful. They're not only a habitat for marine life, but also provide recreational spaces for millions of people. Beaches, coral reefs, and coastal landscapes attract tourists from around the world, and many find peace in activities like swimming, diving, and simply watching the waves. The ocean has inspired countless artists, writers, and musicians throughout history, serving as a reminder of nature's beauty and power. In summary, oceans are more than just vast bodies of water. They're a vital, interconnected system that supports life, regulates our climate, and sustains our economies. Every action we take to protect our oceans helps preserve their beauty and strength for future generations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we uncover more about our amazing planet and the wonders it holds.